Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Amanda, and all this month I'm posting EDC videos because it's coming up. And if you haven't checked out my other videos, I'm gonna link them down below. If you like those kind of videos, be sure you check them out because I have a ticket unboxing outfits videos from this year, last year, and year before, and now this video. So check those out. So this video is for EDC hairstyle ideas. You could very well use these for any event, any concert, any festival, anything you want to look cute for. I know personally at music festivals and concerts and all that, like, your hair down looks cute, looks gorgeous in pictures, you have it all flowy, curled, whatever. But like, personally for me, it just doesn't stay that way, and then I'm worried about what it looks like all night, and then it gets like wind blown and greasy for me, like constantly moving my hair around. Yeah, so for me personally, I just like it out of my face, don't gotta worry about what it looks like, and I don't have to have the pieces flying in my eyelashes and all over my face, and you know how it goes. If you like what you see, be sure to keep watching this video and check out my other videos. I do a lot of fashion posts, a lot of fashion videos, so if you like that kind of thing, check out my videos and subscribe if you like to. And let's get started into the video now. Alright, so to get started, you are going to part your hair down the center and all the way down the back. And then I just kind of put half my hair to the side, just so it's out of the way and it doesn't get tangled on the other side. Next, all you have to do is put your hair into a high ponytail. So gather all the hair and use an elastic to kind of put this into a ponytail, but the trick is to kind of not pull it all the way through. So you want to create these little loops, kind of, you can see right there. And then from there, all I do is just kind of form it into a little ball. That's the best way I can describe it. And then just use some bobby pins to secure it down and kind of just move it around to how you think it looks nice. I feel like this way is kind of easier with shorter hair. So again, I'm just going to repeat that on the other side. And if you have any loose hairs, you can totally tuck them in or wrap them around. I usually leave mine out because I go for that messy kind of look. So again, secure that down and you're all done. What I like to do also though is to take out some of my baby hairs out the front. I just like the way it looks, like kind of a messier look. You can totally not do this option, it's up to you. But that is the finished look for the space buns. Alright, the second look is boxer braids, which I think is the #1 most popular hairstyle you will see at a rave, for sure. And basically just take half your hair down, and that's going to be the look today. Really cute, I know. Just kidding, that's not the look. So to start off, you're going to do a French braid on half the side of your hair. Except for the French braid, you usually pull the hair across and like over the braid. Does that make sense? Probably not. But for the boxer braid, all you do is pull each section of hair underneath the braid. So it kind of creates like this 3D effect, which you will see when I'm finished. There's lots of tutorials on YouTube, so if you do not know how to do this, feel free to check it out. And practice, 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 because I promise it does get easier the more you do it. So since my hair is shorter, like a lot of the little strands are poking out, but I'm using that to my advantage, you know, and going with that messy look again. It's the signature Amanda look, obviously. And I kind of just like pulled on the pieces of strands to kind of create more volume, and just there you go. The second half is done. And it's really simple and it feels really good with all the hair out of your face. This looks good on long hair and short hair. And the final look is a braided ponytail. So again, we're going to do a French braid on top. You kind of just want to take the middle section of your hair. I just eyeballed it, but if you want to like map it out and use a comb to get an exact edge, you can do that. I just, as you can see, kind of just went with it. So I created a French braid on the top section of my hair and put that in a little ponytail. And then next, I took all of my hair and put that in a big ponytail and just kind of combined the two sections to make one nice ponytail.
I kept the elastic in. I'm not sure why. You totally can take that out and just combine it, but I wanted it to be more secure. And the final touches, I just pulled on the hair to add more volume. That's going to be it. See you guys next time. Bye!